Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about many online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create the cool mockups or cover photos for your products in Zazzle. Now, this is a highly requested videos. I got a lot of the comments from you guys, a lot of the questions about how to make or create these cover photos, these mockups, so that you can have a customized mockups or cover photos for your products in Zazzle to increase the conversion ratio. Now, there are so many tools, softwares, applications, websites out there that you can literally use for creating the mockup, like the Canva, the Vista Create, and then you could also use the Placeit, the sky is the limit. But we're going to be using the Canva because I love the Canva and I have a Canva Pro plan. Obviously, you don't need a Canva Pro plan to create the mockup, but I'm just saying for the sake of saying. But we're going to be using a Canva. I'm going to show you different methods to create a beautiful mockup in the Canva that you could actually upload on Zazzle for your products. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. You could very well grab these Zazzle products that we have. Two products. The first one is the Zazzle Beginner's Kit. For getting started with the Zazzle, it has an entire video tutorials along with the PDFs, checklist that you're going to be needing for getting started. It's an in-depth tutorial. The link is in the description box below. The second product we have is a Zazzle workbook planner that will going to help you plan for your shop. It's plan for your shop. It's entirely based on my experience and knowledge. It's a PDF download. You can fill it out. The information and tips are also there. So these are the two products. The links are in the description box below, and we do have free resources as well. All the links are in the description box below. Without further ado, let's dive in. Guys, currently we are on the Canva. We're gonna go and make a cool cover photo or mockup for our Zazzle product. Now I'm gonna be taking a size, so we're gonna go over to the option create design, and I'm gonna be taking a custom thumbnail. That is a custom size, sorry, not custom thumbnail. We're gonna take it as a pixel, so it's gonna be 1480 and 1480. So I'm taking the size 14080 into 1480 as the size, canvas size for our mockup photo. Simply just click on create a new design option, and here we are with that particular size 1480 into 1480 file size. Now there are so many ways in which you can create a cool mockup cover photo in the Canva. I'm gonna show you a few of the methods over here. Firstly, you're gonna see the custom templates over here that Canva is already offering you. Make sure you read the license and license criteria for the Canva free and pro version, whichever one you're using, so that you are on the safer side. Now I'm using a Canva Pro, but you don't need a Canva Pro. You plan you want to go with. You can go with the free one as well. Your the photos. That's the first way to create a cool mockup. So for example, if you're creating a cool mockup for your business card, right? Now I'm just going to take one example over here. This will going to be applicable to whatever mockup you want to create. So I'm going to be typing over your business card. Here we are with a lot of the business card cool mockups over here. You can pick up whatever one you want to choose. I'm going to pick up this free one because if you're not having a pro version, you won't be able to use the pro assets. So you need a pro plan to use the pro assets. But if you are on a free plan, make sure you use only the free one. So the free one so that people can use in the free Canva Pro version as well. So here we are with this one. Now I'm going to be adjusting its size. Okay, here we are. Obviously you're gonna have a business card over here. Now you can very well import your file, the type of the file that you're going to be using for business card. Here we are just on the Zazzle. Now I'm going to be taking a look at the products that I have in my store. This is just a sample store, or you can call it as a store made for just for the purpose of this particular tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to be using this particular and transferring this design to a business card so that we can have an image of that. A new tab. I'm going to go down, go to the option view all products. Now we're going to be saving it as in a business card. So here we are, business card. You can skip this process if you already have a product that you want to make a cover photo in Zazzle. You can directly skip this step. I'm doing it because I don't have a business card in this dummy store, so that's why I'm doing it. So here it's a business card. You can see how it's actually looking like over here. and then you can probably go and sell it. Okay, you can add the title, name, description. Since it's a dummy store, so I'm not going to be doing those much of the stuff over here. So here we are. I'm just gonna go back to my store and refresh the page to see this business card. Okay, now I'm gonna be opening this one into a new tab, and you can see the option upload the cover photo, stand out in marketplace. If you're clicking over to this option over here, it will going to recommend the size as 1480 into 1480 pixels. That's exactly the file size we choose. Okay, but I want this picture, okay, so that I can place on the mockup that I created uses the Canva. So to the more option, and you can download this product mockup, or you can download the artwork. I'm going to download the artwork over here because we're going to be using this artwork, this design, for creating the mockup. You can download either of them. Now I'm going to go over to the Canva again. This was the mockup, so I'm going to be uploading the file that we have downloaded from the Canva. Here we are with the artwork. So we're going to be uploading this artwork on this particular business card mockup, and here we are with this one. So I'm just going to be adjusting according to the markup. Right, crop it over here. So you can see how this design or artwork is looking in this particular markup. This markup and uploading on Zazzle. So I'm going to go over to the option, download. I'm going to be downloading as a JPEG file format. Click download. It's downloading. And then we're going to be going over to our store on Zazzle. Okay, so this was the store, this was the product for which we want the cover photo. Now I'm going to click over to the option. You can simply click over to the product for which you want to upload the cover photo. You can go to the option upload cover photo. Then I have the full rights to use this photo, upload cover photo, click over that. And then simply upload the file or the artwork or the mockup that you have already created using the Canva. So this one was the file. Here we are. You can crop it if you want to, or either you can keep it that way and simply click OK. You have successfully replaced the main photo with your cover photo. It may take 24 hours for changes to appear. Easy, so straightforward. So this is the one method to create a cool mockup, cool app on the Canva that is dedicated for making a mockup image. So just go over to the app section. Here you're gonna see all the apps the Canva has. So you could very well use it. One of the options they are having is the cool mockup. So here we are with this option, the mockups. You can use this and create a realistic mockup. So we're going to be using this particular option to create the cool mockup. This is the second method. Now you can see a cool options out there for the smartphone, computers, tablets, home and living, packaging, frames. They are having the cool mockups which you can very well use it. Whichever one you preferably want it from this one. Now I'm going to be choosing something. Let's see what they are having. For print, they are having these markups. You can choose any one out of these. I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay, so I'm going to click over here and I'm just going to be maximizing this mockup size. So you're going to cover the entire canvas. And then I'm going to drag this particular file into this. So you're going to take a little bit, few seconds. You can simply drag the file from the upload section into this particular option of the smart mockup. You can do it that way too, or you can do the way that I've shown you already. And so here we are with a cool mockup created using the Canva mockup feature or Canva mockup app, whatever you call it. This is the second way to create a cool mockup. The last way I'm going to show, obviously there could be a lot of the ways in which you can create a one. So we're going to take a new canvas for the last one. We're going to be going over to the option, the photos again. Okay, so here we are with the photos. You can obviously import your own cool mockup over here if you don't want to use the mockup that Canva already has. Now, you can use these mockup images that the Canva has in the photo section, and you can create a one color for my background. So I'm going to keep it as a light pink. You can keep any color. Then I'm going to go over to the option photos, and I'm going to be typing over here the business card, because we are creating the markup for the business card. The same thing you could apply for any other mockups out. So I'm just going to bring this one over here. Okay, so you can see how it's actually making it visible. Or you can change the color of the background to be dark so that this could be visible. Okay, fine. This is preferably visible. Upload the artwork over here. So this was the design for which we are creating business card. This is a third method to make a cool mockup. We have used the PNG photo so that we can have our own background at the back. And now I could place literally anything here and there to actually decorate it. So I could go over to the element section, and I could bring over here the business logos, or literally you could bring anything over here. You can bring the flowers. Like this one is more customized than the first one that we made. So here you can add a bunch of the images over here or art over here. Just rotate this one a little bit. Okay, bring it even more here, and just keep it like this. Then you can duplicate this and bring it over here and rotate, flip it, or simply rotate it. Like you can do the way you want to. It's your choice. And bring this one over here. Okay, now I think I'm gonna be changing the color, or I'm gonna be changing the background color to green so that they're gonna look cool. So I'm gonna choose a green, and here we are. Play around with this one. You can have a gradients as well, or you can have a simple one color, and you can play around and you can create a beautiful mockup with that, and you can download this as a JPEG file and upload on the. For this video, guys, hopefully you find it useful. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, it's really welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.